technology. So we have this technology called VPN Cloud. It's one part of our SD-WAN solution for customers. So let's stick to the credit card analogy and pretend that over here on the right-hand side, data center A and data center B, that's a credit card processing host. Most credit card processing hosts have at least 2 data centers. So that's why there's 2 data centers over there. And the customer over here on the left, their payments network needs to send card data to the payment processor for processing. We might put in 3 of our Mako VPN concentrators on the edge of each of those data centers. And then via the CMS, we'll wrap those 6 concentrators up into a single entity to manage, we call a VPN cloud. So there's 6 concentrators spread across 2 data centers that is our payment host VPN cloud. Then we simply connect the payment network, payment VLAN from that store to that cloud. And that store will connect to all 6 concentrators at once. And it will randomly be assigned one of them as its primary route into the payment host network. Now, if that concentrator fails, circuit fails, maybe data center A is having problems today, the impacted Mako connected sites are connected to all the other concentrators in that cloud anyway. They do an instant route change, they stay connected, no downtime. Same methodology lets us, say, take data center B offline for a week while the payment processor is doing application updates. So it's out of the cloud temporarily, no customer impact. We can then add it in, add it back in, again, no customer impact. If they want to add a 3rd data center, we can add more concentrators to the cloud. If they want to expand by adding more concentrators, they can do that. And they can do all this without any customer impact. We spoke about virtualization before. We can deploy those concentrators in a virtualized manner without having to actually put anything into a data center, which means we could spin up a cloud like that in about an hour and a half, without ever having to go on site, without having to rack anything, cool anything, power anything, whatever that needs to happen. So those concentrators could just as easily be deployed in any of the main cloud vendors' environments, and then instead of plugging an Ethernet cable into the network, we do an IPsec tunnel out the back of them, and we'd normally cross-connect to both data centers.